In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Softonic to ChatGPT. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect, so you can get Softonic connected in just a minute or two. Start by opening ChatGPT and looking to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area there. Click your profile to open the menu, then choose Settings. This is where all your account and feature options live, so it's the best place to manage connections. Inside Settings, look for the section labeled Apps. Select Apps to open the App Management panel. This page shows the tools and services you can link to ChatGPT. If you don't immediately see what you need, don't worry. Everything is organized so you can browse or search quickly. Next, click Explore Apps or Add More, depending on what your interface shows. Both options take you to the same place, a catalog where you can find and connect apps. At the top of that page, you'll see a search field. Click into the search bar and type Softonic. As you type, results will appear below. Find Softonic in the results and open its app card. On the Softonic page, click Connect. This is the button that starts the linking process. After you click Connect, follow any on-screen instructions that appear. These prompts can vary, but they're straightforward. You might be asked to review permissions, confirm the connection, or accept terms so ChatGPT can interact with Softonic securely. If a confirmation window appears, read it, then proceed. If no extra prompts show up, the connection will complete automatically. Once the process finishes, you should see a confirmation message or a connected status next to Softonic in your apps list. That status tells you everything is set. If you ever need to revisit the connection, whether to review permissions or disconnect, you can return to Settings, open Apps, and manage Softonic from there. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see apps in Settings, try refreshing your browser or signing out and back in. Features can roll out gradually, and availability may depend on your plan or region. Also, if the Connect button is grayed out, wait a moment and try again. Sometimes the catalog takes a second to load. And when following the on-screen steps, make sure pop-ups aren't being blocked by your browser, since permission windows can open in a new tab. That's it. You clicked your profile, opened Settings, chose Apps, explored or added more, searched for Softonic, hit Connect, and followed any prompts. You're all set.